Question 19 was as follows. The diagram shows a circuit with a battery of 3 cells of equal voltage connected to 2 resistors. Okay, the diagram shows a circuit with a battery of 3 cells of equal voltage connected to 2 resistors. So we can take time and start the diagram, and this is the diagram that is demonstrated here. You can see the battery and the resistance here, which are 2 ohms and 4 ohms, and we have got the ammeter there. We don't know how many amps. Okay, so that's what we need to bear in mind. Then the actual question is, determine the voltage of one cell in the circuit diagram if the switch is closed and the ammeter reads 2 ohms or 2.0 amps, not ohms, 2.0 amps. Okay, so if the ammeter's reading is 2.0 amps, what will be the voltage of each cell in the battery? Okay, so first of all, we need to come up with a formula for finding voltage when amps and ohms are given. So the formula is voltage is equal to current times resistance. So what is the current? Okay, so the current is given is here in the question, which is the ammeter reads 2.0 amps. That is the current. Okay, so we are going to write 2.0 amps, then times resistance. So resistance, we are given 2 readings of the resistance, or 2 sizes of resistance, which are resistors, which are 2 ohms and 4 ohms. So what we're going to do is going to say times, open bracket, 2 plus 4 close bracket ohms. Then we say now what we need to do now here is we work out the expression. So we're going to write 2.0 amps times, then we add, if we work what is in the bracket first, 2 plus 4 give us 6, so we have got 6 ohms. So we have an expression which is 2.0 amps times 6 ohms. Now when we multiply 2 by 6 will give us 12, and that will be 12 volts. Okay, so now we have found the volts of the current in the circuit. We have found the volts of we have found the voltage in the current, which is 12 volts. We have found the voltage in the current, which is 12 volts. Now the question is, now let's go back to the question. The question is saying, determine the voltage of one cell in the circuit diagram. So one cell. Then when we go back to the statement, how many cells are in this battery? We are told there are 3 cells there. Okay, there are 3 cells. So what we're going to do now is, if the entire battery releases 12 volts in the circuit, that means how much is one cell releasing? So we say 12 volts divided by 3, which is the number of cells. Then we're going to come up with 4 volts. 4 volts is the voltage one cell is releasing. Okay, it's the voltage of one cell. Okay, so the correct answer is B. Okay, if you have got questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also be kind enough to follow us on Facebook, TikTok. We are found on all these platforms. In fact, there are 4. We have also Instagram, so you can search for us on Instagram as well. We are there. So on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, on these 4 platforms we are found there, so we can revise with you extensively, whichever platform you are using and whichever platform is comfortable with you. Okay, or you are comfortable with, you can also find us on those platforms. So please remember to follow us on these 4 platforms. Okay.